I made it to Wild Horse Reservoir State Park, and it's 67 miles north of Elko. It was quite a drive. I was wondering if I was ever going to make it, or if it was really here. Anyway, so beautiful reservoir. I haven't even been down there yet. I've got camp all set up last night. Didn't want to really go anywhere after I get done driving and setting up, and so today I might go out and get some pictures and check it out. Maybe there's an area for me to throw that ball for them dogs in that water. They like that. Anyway, we'll see you guys. Have a good day. I sure am. Okay, I am at site number 18. It is a pull-through. I usually don't take pull-throughs because right in here you're usually too close to the road. But there's a lot of foliage here and a nice tree right there that shades that refrigerator side, although I am going to put the shade up. And then I put my truck on the other side of the trailer, backed it up. Just seemed to work out better for getting stuff out. So it's a nice big site. I got no problem backing into sites. I like it better. You kind of feel a little more by yourself. But this one was pretty nice. Not a lot of trees at this state park. They give the cover, of course, the usual. And real clean. All of them have always been clean. Nice big area here. So, nice. Look how much room. So, anyway, I thought I'd give it a try because I do like it. I like all this room in between the road. And it was available, and I took it. Back, and there's always stuff I can do the night before to make it easier when I leave. I kind of want to leave early. I got an hour and a half before I can even get to Elko, and then I'll stop at a store and stock up and head on down to something else. So we'll see you at the next one, and appreciate it, you guys. Thank you. Alright, I'm all packed up. Got to stop off at the dump station and dump my tanks, but I've got everything out. Everything is looking really good. So I always take an extra double check around before I leave, and then I pull out a little ways and I still come back and make sure the dogs didn't leave anything underneath the trailer. So I'm ready. hit the road again, hitting the next spot. See you guys. Thanks for joining. Have a good day. I will. Bye.